All right, folks, welcome to my favorite unit of the entire year. This unit is called Reaction Stoichiometry. I love this unit, and you're going to love it too because every single one of y'all are going to make an A on this test as long as you practice. Okay. Here's what this unit does. It takes Unit 8, which was reaction writing, and it takes Unit 9, which was compound stoichiometry, and it melds them together to form reaction stoichiometry. Okay. The first thing that we really need to understand is how to write a reaction and what all of this stuff means. Okay, so don't forget, our coefficients tell us how many molecules that we have. Okay, our subscripts tell us how many atoms are in one molecule. Okay, so this tells us I have, so if I've got this 2 right here, that means I've got 2 hydrogens in one hydrogen molecule, and this tells me I've got 2 hydrogen molecules. So overall, I've got 4 hydrogen atoms. Okay, so here's what happens in the reaction. Okay, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 hydrogen atoms. Okay, within my 2 hydrogen molecules, I've got 1, 2 oxygen atoms that makes up one oxygen molecule because both of these are diatomic. Okay, and so this is all on the left-hand side of the equation. On the right-hand side of the equation, I've got my 2 water molecules that formed. Now, the law of conservation of mass was obeyed here because I have the same number of atoms on the left as I do on the right. Remember, there were 4 hydrogen atoms on the left, and now I've got 4 hydrogens on the right as well. Okay, they look different. Now they're part of water molecules, but there are still 4 hydrogens. Okay, I've also got 2 oxygen atoms. Okay, I had 2 over here as well. So the law of conservation of mass was obeyed. Okay, so that's what problem 10 -1 says is what's the law of conservation of mass. This next problem here, it says if 500 grams of sodium nitride, okay, so that tells me I've got 500 grams of this, completely decomposes to form 323 grams of nitrogen. So I've got 323. How much sodium is produced? Okay, well, if I know that the law of conservation of mass has to occur, what I can do is I can change this arrow to an equal sign. I can say 500 grams equals X amount of grams plus 323.20. So what we're going to do now is we're just going to subtract 323.20 from both sides, and we would get that sodium is 176.8 grams. Okay, now this is going to end up being a little bit more difficult than this. We're gonna trick it up a little bit, just as we always do. However, that's going to at least be a basic introduction to what we've got happening in this unit. All right. Next unit, we're going to get to the fun stuff.